Well, it's time to head on up to check out the beach house. I've done the Epicurean, did Sindhu on the Iona, and we've done Green & Company, Mizuhana this cruise. So we're going to go and check out the beach house. I'm really looking forward to this one. So let's go, guys.
Very good evening.
Oh yeah, we're 9235. Thank you.
9235. How are you today?
I'm great, thanks. Yeah, that's it.
Hello, good evening.
Hi guys. Good evening. Wow. Now that's a view. Can I have the potato, the skins, please?
Okay.
For starter. And for the, what do you have for your main?
Chicken.
For the main, can I have the fajitas? Can you have a mix, or does it have to be just one?
Just one, sir.
Oh no. That's, oh, I'll have the chicken. And can we also have the asado shera?
Okay.
This is my table in the beach house. Look at this. Hang on, let me show you the view. It's not a bad view, is it, really? Hey? Well, just come out the beach house. That was really good. We had some fajitas, tacos, a bit of steak, some sweet potato, skins for starters. Service was good, really nice, and I thought it was really good value as well. So yeah, big tick for the beach house tonight. Beach house was really good though. I think it was about £10 or £11 for a 3-course meal. If you want the extras, you pay a bit extra on top of that. Definitely recommend it. The food is a step up on the kind of standard proposition. And if you just want a kind of premium proposition, then you just need to go. You need to pay for the additional dining options these days. What a beautiful evening! Well, after that lovely meal in the beach house, I've got pole position here now, prime position for the acrobats showing the atrium. Check this out. Here on deck 8, just where the keel and cow is, and as you can see, they've set this all up now. So there's going to be acrobats going up here from deck 8 all the way down to deck 6 back. Big show tonight. A nice little coffee and a cake at the Boulangerie here in La Seyne-sur-Mer. Quick tip, French coffee is a thimble, so you need at least 2. Forge Chantier de la Méditerranée. So we docked at La Seyne-sur-Mer today, which is on the outskirts of Toulon. You can get the water shuttle across to the main area of Toulon. We've come walking off, and if you come out of the port, if you turn left, it's about 3 miles to Les Sablettes, which is a beautiful white sand beach. Or if you turn right, you need to walk about 1 mile. You'll come to the centre of town, where there is a lovely little coffee bar, boulangerie, and then there's a few more other shops, and then this gorgeous park here down at the harbour. Really nice place to come down for a walk. You can see over the harbour here, and gorgeous carousel coming up as well. Check. Carousel is not open today, guys, or maybe it's open later today. Now, if you're going to get the water shuttle across to Toulon, if you go with P&O, it's about €20 each. There are local boats that will do that for just a few euros each. You can also get the bus. And there's taxis as well, quite a few taxis down here, and it is about €15 to get a taxi round to the rugby ground in Toulon, which is a bit further than you need to go actually. So, you know, you got a family of 4, it's going to cost you €15 each way in a cab. And if you've got children, There's a nice little play area down at the front here as well for smaller children, right down by the water. And in the background, Mrs. G has found a Domino's. Oh, this is nice. Mrs. G has found the spa in Toulon. It's made her day. Do you like my spooky friend? Well, I hope you enjoyed a little look around Seyne with me here on the Côte d'Azur. I'm going to leave you with just a few tips. When you come out the port, if you turn left, you'll come to Les Sablettes Beach, a lovely white beach about 3 miles down the road. If you turn right, make sure you keep walking for about a mile and you're going to come to the lovely harbour and town area of Seyne. There's coffee bars, there's shops, there's a market today, lots of nice boats. A great place just to chill out. And of course, if you want to go over to the main centre of Toulon, well, P&O will take you over on a shuttle boat, and that is about 20 euros a person, 80 euros for a family of 4, or you can just walk 15 minutes around the corner and it's about 3 or 4 euros for crossing on a boat, which go more regular as well. Or cab is 15 euros to take you into the centre of Toulon. Want to make sure you don't miss any more vlogs, you can follow along on TikTok at the Maverick Gill, through the YouTube channel where I'll be putting all my longer videos, particularly after the cruise, at Maverick Gill. Love to have you along for the ride. Fresh omelette time. Barcelona! There's a few ships in today. We've got 5 cruise ships in at Barcelona. Going down. Another port, another escalator. Through the spooky luggage hall. I'm in one of my favourite cities in the world, Barcelona, and the shuttle bus has just dropped us off down here near to the port. You used to be able to just walk off, but now it is about a 5 to 10 minute bus ride down to this area here. We've got the marina, it's just over this side. You can get on a hop on, hop off bus here if you like, or it's just a 5-minute walk across the road to Las Ramblas and then into the main city, about a 30-minute walk to the Sagrada Familia. I think it's the longest unfinished building in the world. It's still got a crane alongside it all these years later. And if you like, I'm going for a look around and you can come with me. Let's go. This is where you can get your hop on, hop off buses. There's quite a lot of them all the way around. About 30 euros for an adult. And there's normally 2 routes around the city. I think it's orange and a green. One will take you all the way up to the Olympic Stadium and the football stadium. And the other one actually, it takes in the Sagrada Familia and many other sites within the main city. And if you walk to the top of Les Ramblas, you come to Plaza de la Catalunya, where there's all sorts going on up here, including 1,000 pigeons in the background. And just over here is the Hard Rock Cafe.
Sin parar, sin parar, sin parar, sin parar, sembrando el amor del lado del mar. Sin parar, 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 sembrando el amor del lado del mar. Sin parar, sin parar, sin parar,
Over tourism? I don't know what they mean. My new boat. Last time I came here, this bridge was falling apart, but it does look like they've actually mended it. The World Trade Center.
Virtual reality simulator.
I'm heading back to the Arvia. Got room for a little one, look! Room for a little one or two! Oh yes, you can't beat a bowl of cream at afternoon tea. It's a little bit of a steep ramp this morning. Straight in to the town here in Cadiz. Look at that, we've parked the ship right in town. Now when you come out the port doors here, straight away you've got the hop-on, hop-off city sightseeing tours. Now this is €27 for an adult, 33 if you want to take in the cathedral as well. Welcome to Cadiz on day 12 of the cruise to the Med on the Arvia, and I'm here down by the statue Cadiz Armoret. It's a beautiful square here with some fantastic architecture. The weather's starting to warm up. You can see in the background here, just about to see the Arvia and the Norwegian Dawn that's been following us around. Now Cadiz is still home to the naval fleet of Spain. It has about 110,000 inhabitants. It's got a top level football club, Cadiz FC, who play in the yellow strip. There's a famous domed cathedral here and over 100 watchtowers. How about that? Now, I'm going to go for a wander around and you can come with me if you like. There's a beautiful little market down here. There's lots of cafes and bars that surround this square. Some beautiful buildings. There's even a McDonald's. What you find during the day here, once we get to midday into the afternoon, the weather's shining brightly and all the bars are full, is there are street musicians and entertainers that come in to the main square here. And you're literally 5 minutes walk from where the ship is docked. There's no water shuttle, there's no bus. You walk straight off into the town, into this beautiful place. There's about 150 or more independent shops here. It's not one for the big stores, but there's lots and lots of independent stores here. And where's Mrs. G? Yep, she's in McDonald's. There she is.
Oh, sorry, I tapped it on.
Yes, what have you got?
I've got...
Look at this.
I'm hungry.
How can you be hungry? It's another ale hop. Another ale hop here in Cadiz. Shall we? Okay. Cruise ducks. There's a hole in the floor. Now it gets a little busy down the lanes here, guys, especially as you get into the early afternoon look. Heading down to the cathedral. Here we go. This is the Cathedral of Cadiz here in this beautiful square. Look, it's what a great place to sit and have a drink. We've got the musicians on. Lots of tables to sit at. Look at that. I'm heading back to the ship. If you want to see some more of my travels, you can at Maverick Gill on YouTube, where I do put a lot of my longer videos as well, or join the Facebook group at Maverick Gill, where we have a good chat. I've got quite a few other cruises coming up soon, including the Disney Fantasy, the Sky Princess, and the Britannia as well. So there's loads going on, and also got a few UK trips as well. Yes, including mighty Mablethorpe. Can't wait for that one. That's where you get your free Wi-Fi. Woo! It's formal night again. It's the second. They normally have 2 on a 14-night cruise. And this is the second last night of the cruise. Boo. So I'm all dressed up and I'm off for my 7-course meal in the Meridian tonight. So let's go check it out. Oh, and there's never silent disco, but it does clash with the football. So I don't know, we'll see. I'm heading in the lift to dinner. Is there room for a little one? I'm sure we're not sinking really. Welcome to day 14 of the cruise to the Med. It's not so bright today, guys, as we head across the Bay of Biscay to Southampton. I've got a few more things to show you today. Now check this out.
Today's time at 10 a.m. At 2 o'clock this afternoon, there's Onboard, which is situated in the clubhouse.
I'm in a lift, all on my own. Oh, well, Jemima's here as well, but it's pretty clean. Look at that, there's nobody here. Now, guys, if you're a side sleeper, you might want to consider bringing your own pillow. Now, this is one of the standard P&O pillows, and you can. I sat on this for about half an hour to flatten it last night. You can see it goes down. And I can tell you now, within 30 minutes, that will completely re-inflate and in the middle of the night, send your head halfway towards the roof. I couldn't sleep with this pillow at all. Wish I'd brought my own. Now this one, so I asked the cabin steward and he brought me this spongy pillow. It's a bit like memory foam, but not. And this one, oh, I couldn't sleep with that either. So they do, are rumoured to have one or two feather pillows when you go on the ship. I would strongly recommend you bring a pillow because these pillows are crazy. Now, the night before disembarkation, or the 2 nights before, you're going to get getting ready to disembark, and it's going to give you a couple of options. Number one, between 6:30 in the morning and 10 a.m. you can just walk off with all your bags. So keep your bags, walk off with it any time during that point, but you do have to leave your cabin at 8 a.m. Or, if like me, you want some help, stick your bags out your cabin the night before. They'll take them away and they'll give you a time to leave the ship. You'll still have to leave your cabin at 8 a.m, but you can go and have breakfast till about 8:30, 9 o'clock, and then you'll have a place to meet where they will escort you off the ship, or sometimes they do let people off early if everything is going smooth. Which end do I go? There's 8 lifts, no idea which one's going to come first, and they're about 50 meters from one end to the other. Oh, I can hear something. Here we go. Well, it's completely empty up on top deck. I'm on the jogging track, walking around. Look at this. It's very windy, it's very wet. We must be approaching the south coast of England. It's blowing an absolute hooey. I'm hanging on to my hat. God, I think I'm back in the Arctic. Goodness me. But I might as well show you the splash area while there's no children in it. There you go. I'm going in. This was a terrible idea. Look at this lovely wide promenade. Sit out here in the sunshine, enjoy your meals, or you can sunbathe this side, or you can walk down the middle. But today is not really a day for any of that. It's a great promenade. Let me know in the comments what you think of this promenade. Have you seen a better one at sea? It's always windy at one side of the cruise ship. And this is no different in the Bay of Biscay. I hope you can hear me. Look at that. Oh my. It's 4-7 and we're going over the Bridge of Doom. Oh. Oh. I don't think we'd last long in there. Oh, good. Anyway, I'm going back in. I think 30 laps is enough. Don't you think? Yeah. Go. Yeah. What do you think of entertainment on Arvia?
Mixed bag.
Yeah?
Yeah, some rubbish, some not rubbish. Well, depends how it feels.
You got a favourite? Did you like the eye hoppers? See the eye hoppers?
That's my favourite.
Yeah, I thought they were great.
And Angie Brown was very good.
Which one was that?
Angie Brown.
Oh, she was fantastic.
Yeah.
Really liked her.
She was really good. I did eye hoppers with my favourite.
Did you like what about the food?
Food. hit and miss.
Yeah?
We only had to eat buffet.
Oh, you've only been at the buffet?
Yeah.
Oh, you missed a treat. Next time, try Green & Company. It's really good.
Tables are too, the tables are too close when you go in restaurants and that. We like
You want a bit more space?
yeah.
Don't try MSC then.
MSC.
Because you'll never get any, there's no space at all. And I was on there 6 weeks ago, and then the tables, yeah, really, really cramped. Food was quite good, but it was very, very cramped in there. You enjoy your cruise? Can I ask you a question for my YouTube channel?
Sorry?
Can I ask you a question for my YouTube channel?
Sorry.
Have you had a good cruise?
Yes.
Favourite part of the cruise? Had a canty? Yeah. Best port? Food?
Very good, yeah.
Yeah. All good. Best restaurant? Zenith. Main dining room. Thank you. Yeah, what was your favourite part of the cruise?
I like the shows, really.
Yeah? The headliners?
Yes, they're very good.
Did you watch Take That tonight?
Yes.
Yeah, enjoy it?
Yes, I did.
Was that your first time?
Very good. What?
For that one, for that show?
Yes.
Yeah.
No, I see the highlights every time.
Ah, okay.
Been on every
Are we there? Oops, see you later. Enjoyed your cruise?
Yes.
What's your favourite part? I know it's 2 questions.
That is 2 questions.
It's 16.
Well, the answer was.
You don't have to answer
I
them.
don't know. I think
Yeah?
I enjoyed Cadiz.
Yeah? Oh, I love that port.
Beautiful, beautiful port.
You enjoyed the food?
I'm here.
Yeah.
Well, my trousers still fit, but I still enjoyed the food.
Alright? It's 8 AM on the final day, disembarking day. Let's go. We're going off. We're disembarking. This is how to spend your disembarkation morning. It's 8:15. I'm at breakfast. I've got this lovely view out the window. We've just ordered, nice and relaxed, and we're just going to chill out, and hopefully we'll get off about 9:30, and you'll see that. We're leaving. I think we're last out the dining hall. Bye bye, Arvia. It's quiet on the ship this morning. It's a little bit spooky. Hey, where's everybody gone? Going down.
Yeah, take them around.
Usual chaos. Lots of bags, guys. Okay, we're heading up to deck 9. I can see it. There's trolleys on your left when you get in. This is not too bad at the moment. We're about 9:15. La 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 la. We made it. Actually, it wasn't too bad this morning. So if you think that's busy, it can be far worse than that. But the good news is, you do get there eventually. Our CPS is on the left. His taxi picks up right outside here. Car collection, all right outside the port. We just crossed the road now. At the port, it's about 2 minutes to the car pickup.